Prime Minister Narendra Modi has greeted fellow countrymen on the auspicious occasion of Makar Sankranti, Pongal, Mangbihu and Uttarayan. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launches Mission Mausam in New Delhi today. This mission aims to make the country weather ready and climate smart. The Indian Meteorological Department has forecast cold wave conditions in isolated pockets over Himachal Pradesh and very dense fog conditions in many parts of Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh today. President of Singapore, Tharman Shanmugaratnam, will be on a 5-day visit to India beginning today. External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar held talks with Spanish Foreign Affairs Minister Jose Manuel Alvarez in Madrid yesterday.